Skibbity dong dong, skibbity dong dong. Rasta man is high in the Kingston town, yeah man. Me wake up in the morning light, give thanks for life, give thanks for sight. The world still spin, the youth still cry. So me lift my voice to the sky. Oh no, 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 no. Me see too much confusion round. Bobby and sound try mash we down. But in my heart, the fire blaze. Jah wisdom guide me through the maze. Them can't stop love, we're pure and clean. Truth shine brighter than it seems. Me walk with courage, soul on fire. Burn down hate, lift love higher. Me see the struggle in the street, but every pain bring lessons sweet. No gold, no throne can take your place. Me feel the power in every face. Oh, tired people cry, but your spirit never die. When me chant, me feel it grow. Roots and culture overflow. Yeah. Light up the world, let the fire glow. Love are the seed we all must sow. Every heart and every hand. Spread the light across the land. One land. Light up the world, your flame ignite. Turn the darkness into light. One love, one vibration strong. We all sing the same old song. Me remember the elders say, truth comes slow but find its way. Me hold the faith through every storm. Jah protect and keep me warm. No envy, greed or vanity, just peace and unity. The system weak but soul still strong. We rise where we belong. Children laugh and elders smile. Hope return for a while. Roots musician beat the drum. Say the better day soon come. The rhythm travel through the crowd. Chant of freedom, chant aloud. Every man and woman free in Jah harmony. Me no war, me no fight, me move in Jah light. Every color, every race come together, one embrace. The message clear, the vision true. Love is the way for me and you. We can light up the world, let the fire glow. Love are the seed we all must sow. Every heart and every hand. Spread the light across the land. Walla. Light up the world, your flame ignite. Turn the darkness into light. One love, one vibration strong. We all sing the same old song. Well, yeah. Light up the world, don't dim the shine. Bless the people, one divine. Rasta voice in every song. Lift the nation from the ground. All of them. Light up the world, stand tall, be true. Jah love dwell in me and you. So when the night feel cold and long, remember Jah within your song. Keep the flame, don't let it die. Light up the world, reach the sky. One love forever burn, till every soul returns. Ay, ay, ay. Ganja, ganja is the medicine, yeah man. Bassline hit like heartbeat in a womb. Drum roll rise and clear the gloom. Me tune in deep to the cosmic wave. Reggae sound, soul we save. Each note a prayer, each chord a flame. Burn sticks and stones. Roots frequency, guide me soul. In a rhythm I lose control. No need for talk, just let it play. One drop teach I more each day. Sound system lift I high above. Bring me closer to your love. Roots frequency, feel it strong. This are the heartbeat all along. Selector drop the vinyl clean. Me close my eyes, me start fi dream. Me see people come together true. Different skin but one blood through. Babylon try divide with fear, but roots music bring I near. Me chant with elders, chant with youth. The rhythm reveal universal truth. Me nah need tech or flashy screen, just a speaker and a tambourine. Me feel the bass line deep in chest. Remind I say I truly blessed. Me nah rush, me nah chase fame. Me just want people feel the same. In a dance hall or under tree, me soul tuned to the frequency. Roots frequency, guide me soul. In a rhythm I lose control. No need for talk, just let it play. One drop teach I more each day. Sound system lift I high above. Bring me closer to your love. Roots frequency, feel it strong. This are the heartbeat all along. All along. All along. Late night session, moonlight beam. Me skanking time to dubwise dream. Engineer mix it with holy hand. From Zion straight to every land. No border can stop this wave. No chain strong, nothing make I slave. Music a weapon, music a bomb. Cool me soul, keep I calm. So turn it up, let it roll. Rhythm speak to the deepest soul. From trench down yard to African shore. Roots frequency, open door. Join the echo, join the drum. Hear the message, salvation come. So listen keen and feel it true. This reggae built for I and you. Rasta smoke the best ganja in the city, a man. From the mountain peak me here, lion voice strong and clear. Righteous roar cut through night. Babylon tremble, lose them fight. thunder sound. Lion guard the holy ground. Babylon throne can't last long. Lion stronger than them wrong. Justice rise, mercy call. Lion stand tall overall. Lion stand tall, mighty king. Power of Zion, Jah bring. Roar for freedom, roar for peace. Lion call, war must cease. Lion walk through fire and rain, still the strength remain. Not of violence, not of war, but of truth we fighting for. Heart so gentle, spirit kind, yet no fear for wicked mind. From Africa to every shore, lion roar forevermore. Generations hear the sound. Lion echo still around. When the children cry at night, lion roar, restore them light. Elder bow and youth man rise. Lion shine before them eyes. Ancient promise, holy call. Lion stand for one and all. Roar, roar, thunder loud. Lion voice, unite the crowd. Strength of Zion, never fall. Lion stand tall overall. Lion stand tall, mighty king. Power of Zion, Jah bring. Roar for freedom, roar for peace. Lion call, war must cease. Forever strong, forever true. Lion stand for me and you. Na na na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Morning light stretch across the ground, wide and golden. My heart settle into quiet rhythm of renewal. The neighborhood slowly wake, voices blend soft. Everyday people bring the energy that shape the moment. Me listen, me feel the connection waving between us. Unity beneath every word spoken true. Me walk among familiar faces, each holding unique story. We share, nod, smile, small joke that warm the vibe. Life sweeter when we move as one, even in simple ways. Strengths multiply when kindness lead the flow. Echo of unity spread through the town. Lift every spirit, never let them down. Echo of unity, ring clear and bright. Turn heavy burdens into shining light. Music from a small corner box start the wave. People tap, feet sway, gentle feel the spark. Me join the motion, letting tension fall away. Vibe grow larger, linking heart to heart. Street transform into meeting ground of joy. Voices blend, laughter rise, stress dissolve. Me treasure moments like this, built from simple love. Unity proves stronger than any wall or doubt. Stand close, share vibe, keep connection alive. Let positive energy lead the collective stride. Echo of unity spread through the town. Lift every the echo still linger deep. Unity remain the song we carry into tomorrow. Zion roots. Me born free, me born a warrior. Them try to hold me down, but me rise superior. Them build the chains, them build the cage, but me spirit free, me can't be a slave. Me feel the pressure, me feel the strain, but Jaja guide me, me rise again. Them try to break me, them try to bend, but the strength of Jah, it will never end. Me rise from the ashes, me rise from the dose. Me trust in Jah, me trust in the Joes. No chain can hold I, me break the mold. Me walk in truth, me walk in bold. No chains can hold I, me rise above. Me walk with Jah, me walk in love. Me stand for freedom, me stand for right. No chains can hold I, me see the light. No chains can hold I, me spread me wings. Me rise like the eagle, me feel the kings. Them try to bind me, them try to break, but me rise for Jah's sake. Them try to lock me up, try to silence me voice, but me speak the truth, me make the choice. The power of Jah, it deep in me soul. Me no need no chains, me no need no control. Me see the walls, them try to build, but the love of Jah can't be killed. Me rise like a lion, me stand so tall. The chains them fall, me break them all. Me see the chains are breaking apart. Me walk with courage, me walk with heart. No matter the struggle, no matter the fight, me know the truth, me know the right. No chains can hold I, me rise above. Me walk with Jah, me walk in love. Me stand for freedom, me stand for right. No chains can hold I, me see the light. No chains can hold I, me spread me wings. Me rise like the eagle, me feel the kings. Them try to bind me, them try to break, but me rise for Jah's sake. No chains can bind me free inside. Me walk with Jah, me walk with pride. The chains of Babylon, them cold and tight, but Jah power, it bring the light. Me feel the fire, me feel the heat. Me rise above, me can't be beat. Me break the chains, me break the mold. Me walk in truth, me walk so bold. Them want fi control, them want fi steal, but the power of Jah, it always real. Me free in a spirit, me free. Ay, ay, ay. Roll a split with royal cookies, yeah man. Mighty ocean, wide and deep, secrets holy it does keep. Wave of courage, tide of grace, ocean carry, Jah embrace. Babylon fortress can't withstand, ocean wash across the land. Every current strong and free, ocean chant eternity. Children play upon the shore, ocean teach them something more. Elders sit and sing a song, ocean keep them spirits strong. Not of conquest, not of war, ocean heal the broken scar. Every drop a holy flame, ocean glorify Jah name. Storm may rise and wind may roar, ocean stand forevermore. Travelers sail upon the wave, ocean lift and ocean save. Babylon ship can't override, ocean carry Zion tide. Generation come and go, ocean of strength still flow. Morning sun reflects so bright, ocean shine in Jah light. Moon and star above declare, ocean bless
sorrow, heal the pain. Ocean of Zion still remain, forever mighty, never dry. Ocean of Jah Most High.
Aye, aye, aye. Smoke a kush with Sev Kaya, man. Me rise up early with the sun, chant a prayer before the day begun. Me hand in soil, me mind at peace, planting roots, feel love increase. Me herb garden, lush and green, sweetest scent you ever seen. Me pick a bud, me feel so free. Me give thanks for Jah remedy. In a one love herb garden, we grow truth, not just pardon. Smoke roll like the morning mist, every draw a sacred twist. Me no need no city life, stress and hustle, war and strife. Me find me joy in leaf and land, in ganja smoke and Jaja hand. Me burn a spliff, fi clear me sight. Me vision bright like starry night. Me hear the earth, she talk to me through every leaf. Me spirit free in a one love herb garden. We grow truth, not just pardon. Smoke roll like the morning mist, every draw a sacred twist. Meditation time, on the stone me sit. Inhale the wisdom, exhale the wit. No rush life, me slow the pace. Me find Jah light in every space. Rasta not stray from Jah way. Me burn the chalice every day. Unity grow like the seed in a soil. Love is me harvest, peace me tile. Me share me bud with brethren true. We pass it round, good vibes renew. No judgment here, just open door. Me garden full, but always more. Me teach the youth to plant and grow, not just herb, but art, you know. The land a teacher, herb a guide, just spirit always deep inside. In a one love herb garden, me heart beat like Naya Bingy drum. Ganja smoke and morning sun, we chant till the Babylon done. In a one love herb garden, me heart beat like Naya Bingy drum. Ganja
grant me chalice and hold me tight. She teach me patience, she keep me wise. With just one gaze from her soulful eyes. Yeah, she a roots gal, pure and true. When me lose me way, she bring me through. She a the queen of the natural vibes. In a this chaos, she help me survive. Me empress rise before the sun. Meditate long for the day begun. She plant the seeds, she know the length. She build the future with her bare hand. She reads scriptures like lullaby and teach the youth them not to lie. Me love how she not chase trend, but live with honor start to end. Many women me see, but she stand alone. With lioness heart and spirit grown. She no need crown fi rule me throne. Our vibe more rich than gemstone. We burn herb under the moonlight. She speak truth, me feel right. No drama, just roots and care. Me give thanks for Jah answer prayer. She a the queen of me temple, reason of the song. With her by me side, me stand strong. She roll up wisdom, burn the shame. She call me king, she know me name. Yeah, she a roots gal, humble and free. She move with grace like ocean sea. She a the queen of the Rasta flame, and me love her more each time me call her name. Me empress no flex feel likes. She meditate more than she type. She know how Babylon try confuse, but she stay steady, she never lose. She dress royal, but live low key. Speak soft, but move like prophecy. Every youth see her want to learn how to live righteous, how to earn. She a the queen of me temple, warrior soul. With ancient knowledge, she keep me whole. She plant me joy, she reap me pain. She cool me fire like mountain rain. Yeah. Zion Reggae, yeah man. High above the clouds so bright. Throne of Zion shine with light. Seat of justice, seat of peace, where the wars and sorrow cease. Every stone a crown of love, every step from God above. Throne eternal, pure and true, hold the path for me and you. Throne of Zion, high and grand, rule the world with holy hand. Guide the people, keep them strong, set the righteous path along. Stand where prophet voice was heard, echo every holy word. Shine the truth, it shine the flame, lift the soul in God's true name. No king of man can take the seat, throne of Jah no one defeat. It rule the time, it rule this place, throne eternal, throne of grace. Call the children one by one, say come home, the work is done. Heal the wounded, break the chain, bring the joy, remove the pain. From root to crown, from seed to star, throne of Zion guides so far. Every nation, every land, bow before the holy stand. Throne of Zion, high and grand, rule the world with holy hand. Guide the people, keep them strong, set the righteous path along. Me see the vision in me dream, throne of Zion bright and gleam. It says stay true, don't walk astray. Throne will guide you every day. Teach the heart, it teach the soul. Jah creation make us whole. Keep the love, it keep the light. Throne of Zion shining bright. When the dawn come round again, throne still stand above the plain. Never shake it, never fall. Throne of Jah command it all. From first chant till time is done, throne forever holy.
heart beats strong. Me belong. Drum talk through the tongue can say. Night and day, echo bounce cross hill and street. Spirit meet me moving rhythm. Steady and sure, me pure voice of the drum, no lie. It testify, me see the children sway along to just song. Them learn the steps of peace and fire. Lift higher, every strike a prayer send. No end, drum carry message wide across the tide. Voice of the drum, call again, heal the pain. Voice of the drum, speak your truth, guide the youth. Me build me rhythm on the ground. Sacred sound, me close me eyes, me vision fly to the sky. Me see ancestors smile. Feel a while, drum beat open the way. Every day when silence fall upon town, me turn it round. Drum call, unity rise, no disguise. Every man and woman here, drop the fear. Voice of the drum me keep in a me sleep. Boom boom, truth in sound. Rebirth found, every hit a prayer call. Heal we all. Drum of life, drum of peace, never cease. Voice of the drum, call again, heal the pain. Voice of the drum, speak your truth, guide the youth. Voice of the drum, beat divine, line to line. Voice of the drum, set free eternally. Whoa, 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 so when the night feels still and numb, listen the drum, it's your heartbeat inside. We abide. Na 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 na. Evening breeze on my gentle tone, call me spirit from flesh and bone. Sky burn orange, red and blue. Horizon whisper something new. Me stand on cliff and scan the deep. Hear the memories people keep. Voices echo from distant shore. Stories old and plenty more. Me feel a pull from far away. Guide me thought like break of day. Horizon open like a gate. Teach me say the world can't wait. Beneath the clouds them forming slow. Truth appear in subtle glow. People wonder, people roam, trying to find a peaceful home. Me chance up to calm the breeze, lift the world from silent freeze. Hope return like ocean tide, wash the pain from every side. Voice of the horizon call we near, sing away doubt, silence fear. Every corner of the earth, rise again to find rebirth. Voice of the horizon pure and wide, guide the people as them strive. Let it echo through the land, lift up every heart and hand. Night approach with silver gleam, moonlight bless the flowing stream. Me hear laughter from the square, proof say unity still they near. Elders reason bout olden days, youth them follow the brighter ways. Horizon's message travel far, shine like steady evening star. Me see walk the path where you belong. When confusion cloud the sky, listen close, the truth can't lie. Voice of the horizon, call we near. Sing away doubt, silence fear. Every corner of the earth, rise again to find rebirth. Voice of the horizon, pure and white. Guide the people as them strive. Carry wisdom through the night. Turn them shadows into light. Voice of the horizon, lead. Give the people what them need. If the road feel rough and long, let the horizon be your song. Carry the message soft and free. Find the truth meant to be.
Na 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 Zion reggae. Deep in the valley where the green hills meet, flow a river pure and sweet. From Zion mountain it come down, blessing every village, every town. Water clear like crystal light, wash away the dark of night. Every drop a holy sign. River of Zion forever shine. River of Zion flow on free. Carry your love from sea to sea. Every soul can drink and live. All the healing it can give. Me walk along the river bend, feel your spirit like a friend. It tell me tales of days gone by, of prophets' prayer and battle cry. Me see the children laugh and play, splashing the blessing every day. From root to branch, from leaf to vine, I'll give thanks for Zion's sign. When drought come try fi crack the land, river still strong by Jaan. Even when the sun ablaze, water keep the fire in praise. Babylon dam can't block the flow. Zion river always know it find a way through rock and sand. Spread your love across the land. Me fill me cup and take a sip. Feel your blessing on me lip. It cool me mind, it calm me soul.
Na Zion reggae man. Yeah, yeah man. Yeah man, yeah man, yeah man. Me rise up before the break of day. Hear the chant in a distant way. Jah whisper plant the seed today. So me dig the earth and pray. Yeah man. Me feel the sun kiss me brow. That time in always now. Roots of tomorrow start from small. Grow strong and bless them all. Me plan for the youth, for the poor man dream. Me water it with love, me keep it clean. Me see the land dry, but me still sow. Cause me know Jah love make things grow. Every tear that drop in pain turn to blessing, wash this stain. Me chant for the heart them blind, open up them mind. Na 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 na. Me not trust Babylon gold, me treasure pure and old. The earth speak through the trees, sun live in peace. Me hands dirty with soil of life, still me free from strife. Each root me touch a prayer, Jah dey everywhere. Yeah, me trod through valley of doubt, but me no bow out. Faith on me staff, courage me guide, Jah walk by me side. Me see the people lost in pain, try escape the rain. Me tell them hold on still, Jah have the will. Me give me all for the children rights. Me see the truth in a them eyes, them spirit pure, them light divine. The next generation shine, no greed, no war. Me teach only love in reach. Me see the roots connect, me show respect where roots of tomorrow grow. From the love we sow, water it with peace and care. Jah love in the air. Yeah, roots of tomorrow strong. Right from wrong, no system can divide. Jah live inside. Boy, yeah, yeah, yeah. Me remember my grandmother words, still echo, still hurt. She said, my son, never forget, we reap what we said. So me plant the wisdom deep, even when me weak, the roots twist and bind. Old mankind, me say the world still fight. Me shine me light, me build with faith and hand. Jah bless me land, me chant me psalm at night till the stars shine bright. Me no need no fame, Jah call me name. Yeah, me hear the thunder roll, test the soul. Me stand still, no shake, Jah no forsake. Every storm just clear the air, make the roots prepare. Tomorrow no come by luck, we build it up. Me look to the sky and smile, walk my mile. Me no worry about the Babylon fall, Jah justice for all. Me no rush the time for come, me chant till it done. Me plant the seed again for heal the pain. Roots of tomorrow grow, from the love we sow. Water it with peace and care, Jah love in the air. Roots of tomorrow strong, right from wrong, no system can divide. Jah live inside. Oh yeah. So when me gone, me song remain, flow like rain. Roots of tomorrow bloom in every room. Jah light forever shine, all divine. Ay, ay, ay. Pen in hand, chalice near, thought them float, vision clear, blank page wait, night feel wide, smoke drifts off side to side. Me write not fi please the crowd, me write fi free what locked inside. Ink and herb create the key, unlock part of me history. Every sentence come from scar, every rhyme show who you are. Me no polish paint to shine, me leave truth between the lines. Them read fast, but them no see depth hide under simplicity. Smoke slow, thought them slow, that's how real message grow. Me no chase it on the chart, me chase clarity of art. Some verse rough, some verse clean, life no always in between. Smoke between the lines, me
right, clear the mind, sharpen sight, smoke between the lines, reveal all we fake and all we real. Me burn one and edit less. Perfection kill express. Truth sometimes stumble out. Stutter shake then find it shout. Me see me passing on me rhyme. Future knock ahead of time. Herb no write the song for me. It just remove the blindfold key. Me share me page with few not all. Some is deaf when truth too tall. But one soul catch the spark, and that alone light up the dark. Me write for the quiet mind, them who tired of the grind. Smoke fade, words remain. Ink out, live the flame. When the chalice empty dry, still me thought them multiply. No escape, just clarity. Truth write itself through me. Smoke between the lines, me write. Clear the mind, sharpen sight. Smoke between the lines, reveal all we fake and all we real. Smoke between the lines, me write. Smoke between the lines, reveal. Page full now. Night grow thin. Morning light soon settle in. Me close book but keep the flame. Truth still call me by my name.
Zion Reggae, yeah, man. Yeah, me wake and feel the spirit call. No fear can make me fall. Sunrise paint the mountain gold. New story yet untold. Me lift me hands and chant me part. Carry the fire in me heart. Babylon try to cool the flame, but Jah ignite again. Them build them wall, me tear it down. Love still wear the crown. No system can suppress me song. Rasta energy strong. Me blaze the truth on every street till it retreat. Me see the youth them searching I for reason why. Me tell them look inside your soul, Jah make your whole. Me see the elder beat the drum, remind we where we come from. Roots deep like ancient art. Fire in the heart, burn bright. Guide me through the night. Every spark a holy sign. Love forever shine. Fire in the heart, pure flame. Chant the most I name. Carry the light from start. Fire in the heart. Me no chase vanity or fame. Me live for Jah name. When the world feel cold and grey, faith still light me way. Every trial build me soul. Every scar a scroll. Me trod through dark but never part. Jah keep me heart. Me see the woman wipe her tear. Jah comfort near. Me tell her sister you no alone. Love build your home. Children love future born. Hope
like morning dawn. Me hear the choir start, fire in the heart. Me no stop, me no tire. Jah fuel the fire from Kingston yard to Cape Town shore. We chant forevermore, no matter the distance, no matter the fight. Rasta standing light, fire in the heart, burn bright. Guide we through the night. Every spark a holy sign. Love forever shine. Fire in the heart, pure flame. Chant the most high name. Carry the light from start. Fire in the heart. Fire in the heart. Flame rise. Spirit strong. Jah rhythm beat lifelong. True struggle and art. Fire in heart. When the evening shadows fall, Jah fire bless them all. My soul and rhythm never part. Forever fire in the heart.
Smoking chalice in the jungle, yeah man. Barefoot me step on red earth clay. Me feel the pulse from my ancient day. Drum a beat like thunder roll. Echo deep down in a me soul. Me eye closed but me see clear. Spirit calling from far and near. Me nah need no plan, no map. Jah rhythm guide me step by step. Heart beat inna the drum me say. Calling all soul fi come me say. Dancing round this sacred fire. Lift your spirit, take your higher. Boom, 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 it nah lie. It a the truth we can't deny. From Zion plain to African coast, we chant for life, we chant for growth. Me see me sister spin with breeze. Her foot them talk like them at ease. Me brother chant them ancient word. No page, no book, just spirit heard. We now wear chain, we wear crown. Rasta robe in a rootsy gown. Me spirit rise like morning sun. When me feel the rhythm, me and it become one. Me say, who hear the drum? We hear the drum. Who ready for dance? We ready for dance. Who carry light? We carry light. Who walk with Jah? We walk with Jah. Heartbeat inna the drum, me say. Rhythm beat strong like lion breath. Tide of spirit, wave of sound. Lift we up and spin we round. Fire blaze in a cool night here. Drum line up, me no a prayer. Me na fear, me na fall. Drum make me rise, make me stand tall. Me lose me name but find me root. Me dance barefoot, me pick wild fruit. The rhythm now come from speaker box. It rise from stone, from wind, from rocks. Every beat a memory bond. From when me ancestors did one. Stay true to your heart and breath. Drum will guide you upon life and death. Boom, 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 me feel it strong. The drum still beat though the night is long. Circle tight, we nah go stray. We follow the drum till break of day.
Zion roots, Zion roots. Oh, Zion roots. Oh, yes, Zion roots. Oh, hey. Them lock we up in mental jail. Them feed we fast food and fairy tale. Them sell we fair like market fruit, while we forget the ancient root. Me see the youth them hypnotized by screen and sound. the truth, them twist the name. Them point the finger, shift the blame. But me nah bow, me nah retreat. Me walk with lion in the street. Me hold me head through storm and flame. Me soul too high, fi play them game. Iron chains, golden souls, them can't touch what Jah control. Though we walk through fire and stone, we rise as kings from dust and bone. Me chant for the voiceless, chant for the poor. Me knock on consciousness door. So hear the drum and free your roll. Break the chains and claim your soul. Me see them love control and badge. Them drive them ego like a mad carriage judge. Them build high towers, plastic throne, but still them scared to be alone. Me say me nah need diamond ring. Me value life, not what bling bring. Me rather sleep on dirt and straw than praise a king with bloody law. Me granny tell me truth in song. The wicked reign, but not for long. Me take them words like sacred book and plant it deep in every book. Them colonize the past and now, but we they are still and we know how. Me use me roots like warrior blade. Me lyrics sharp, me message brave. And when me rising at the early light, me give thanks for breath and vision right. Me see Jah hand in everything, from river flow to bird wing. Them label we as rebel soul, but a freedom fire we control. Me nas a puppet, me nas a doll. Me soul a thunder, hear it roll. Iron chains, golden souls, them can't touch what.
Na 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 Rasta man. Grind the kaya man. Sound system turn up, speaker them a place. Me step in a the dance in a righteous face. Me chalice full, me soul a burn. Me dep on fire, now it's Jah turn. Drum and bass beat like heart in a chest. Every rhythm drop, bring out Jah best. Me now flex like star, me flex like truth. Me dey a fi the elder, me dey a fi youth. Give me one rhythm and me ride it clean. Me chant so heavy like steam from green. No gun talk, no Babylon slang. Me lyrics are heal like Naya Bingy Bang. Me chant in a corner with me herb so proud. Me meditate, even in a the crowd. Select a wheel up, bassline drop. Me feel it in a spine when the snare go pop. Light it up, feed the people in a struggle. Light it up, let the Babylon juggle. We smoke, we dance, we elevate. Rootsman vibes we celebrate. Light it up, all tribes unite. In a dance hall we shine so bright. From trench town to the mountain top, we burn bad mind and we nah go stop. Missy dreadlocks, gal a wine with grace. She move to the rhythm like she know the place. Me hail her up with respect and joy. Me say one love, no time for toy. Me see big man, small man, all man in a line. All blaze up chalice, all feeling fine. This a root session, no time for war. This a love in a rhythm like a Rasta star. Me roll one big with me brethren crew. Me pass it round like wisdom true. We reason about life, we reason about peace. We know say Babylon time must ease. Me dey a in a dance but me spirit fly to Zion plains where the lions lie. One draw, two draw, me eyes then close, but me vision clear like a red rose. Light it up, feed the people in a struggle. Light it up, let the Babylon juggle. We smoke, we